Good morning, students. Welcome to your EVS class. We are reading the chapter 2 inside your body, and this is on reading part 2. In previous class, we have read about the blood, about digestive system inside in which we have seen about the stomach. Today we will read the small intestine. So listen it carefully that what I am pronouncing the word. Okay, let us begin. The small intestine. Your stomach cannot digest all the food you eat. It pushes the food into a long coiled tube called the small intestine. The juices of your small intestine finish the job left over by your stomach. Blood picks up the liquid food from your small intestine and carries to the rest part of your body. Next is the liver. Your liver is the biggest organ in your body. It makes a juice that helps to digest food. It passes this juice into the small intestine through a tube. The large intestine. All the food you eat is not needed by your body. What is needed goes into the blood. What is not needed passes into your large intestine. The large intestine is a wider tube than the small intestine. It is shorter too. It collects all the waste and pushes it out of your body as stool. The stomach, the small and large intestine, and the liver and the main organs that digest the food we eat. Let us see what some of the other organs of our body do. The lungs. See, inside the case formed by the bones of your chest lie a pair of lungs. They help you take in oxygen and throw out carbon dioxide. The air you breathe in travels from your nose to your lungs through your windpipe. The lungs take the oxygen from the air and give to give it to the blood. They also take carbon dioxide from the blood and throw it out. Now see the next para, the heart. The Your heart also lies inside your chest. It pumps blood into your arteries. Your arteries carry blood from your heart to the rest part of your body. Your veins carry blood back from your body to your heart. When a doctor puts a stethoscope, listen it carefully, it is a stethoscope. बाइफर्केट करके भी आप इसको पढ़ सकते हैं, स्टेथो एंड अ स्कोप, स्टेथोस्कोप. ओके, on your chest, he or she hears your heartbeat. What I am pronouncing? Heartbeat. This is the sound of your heart pumping blood. Okay, now see the next para, that is kidney. When you wash your hands at the sink, the soapy water goes into the drain. Your body also has a drainage system. This system is a pair of organs called the kidneys. They help to collect waste from the body and throw it out as urine. The kidney look like two huge beans about the size of your fist. They are at the back, just above your waist. This is the diagram of kidney. Next is brain, which is very important part of our body. It controls all over your body. Okay, so see the so read this paragraph. The brain. How does your stomach know when to start making juices to digest food? How does your heart know how hard to pump when you run? How does your right leg know what to do when your left leg in the air? They know because your brain tells them. Your brain lies inside your skull. The way a nut lies inside a shell. It tells each part of your body what to do. It also helps you learn, remember, think, speak, see, hear, and so on. Different parts of your brain do these things. This is the diagram of the brain. Next is question answer. So what you have to do? As a previous day, you have to read the two paragraph of today. आपको आज का कोई भी दो पैराग्राफ पढ़ना है and send to my WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you.